Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to enable voice chat on Roblox. So let's get started. First, open your Roblox apps and login. Now click right corner 3-line menu and go to settings and go to account info and make sure your age is verified as 13 plus, and if required, complete ID verification for extra security. Now go to privacy and content restriction and go to communication and go to voice chat. There you will find the option voice chat. Simply turn on it. Now click enable. And that's it. Now you can talk with friends using voice chat on Roblox. Don't forget like, share and subscribe for more Roblox tips. Thank you.